So we're going to switch leg here. Let's grab the left foot. Straighten the right leg forward. And then go for the length of the leg of the left leg as you pull it in. Forehead to kneecap. As close as you can. Nose maybe will reach first. Deep breath. Straighten that left leg, the hamstring. We want a deeper stretch in the whole hamstring. Good, nice. Reaching forward with the head, reaching in with the leg. Lift the right leg off the floor, stay right there. See if you can straighten that left kneecap more. Last breath. And releasing.